everyone, I'm Wilfried Romain. We are in Paris in my restaurant, it's called Lava, and today we're gonna do a recipe, one of my favorite, the black ceviche. Let's go. So, it's a kind of ceviche, but we like to use here some black sesame to give a roast taste, and with a little bit of rice also. And of course the recipe traditional to do a ceviche called the leche de tigre. Let's go. So first we need to cook the rice, okay? Alex, j'ai le riz en fait, hein. J'en avais sur le pass. C'est pas grave. So I take a pan. It's very simple. First we need to cook during like 30 minutes just rice with water. Ça va être long. So, here. Okay, now we can start to cut the fish. Okay, the fish, it's called, in French it's mulet. I think in English it's mullet also. Il est où le mulet? Chez toi?
Ouais, il est là.
Is there any other fish you can use?
Oh yeah, we can use, today we use mullet, but we can use yellow pollock, we can use dorade, whatever you want. Usually a white fish is better.
Okay.
So, let's go to cut. So we need to get like not too big and not too small pieces. Okay. Il me faudrait tout pour le leche, Alex.
Non.
Alex, pour ce genre de truc, je pense qu'on va se le jouer plus simple. Si je vais aller trop vite. Donne-moi juste les trucs, je me tais. Enfin, genre, juste pas comme ça. Tu me fous et moi je vais. Ah ouais, parfait.
Là, je te fais le leche d'abord.
Ouais, là je vais démarrer le leche le temps que ça cuise. Ok. So like pieces like that. Because later, in the leche de tigre recipe, you have a lot of lemon juice, and the lemon juice gonna kind of cook the fish. So it's important to get a big pieces like that, not too small, because if it's too small, it's going to be overcooked. Here, on the blender, we're gonna put everything for the leche de tigre. So we're gonna have celery, white onion, a little bit of fish, and also some bones fish, some lime juice, ginger, coriander, and a little bit of chili. C'est ton moment, mon grand. Ah putain, ça déborde. Get more flavor, I'm just gonna add Alex, tu peux m'envoyer du mercan dans un joli pot, s'il te plaît?
Ouais.
So, t'as le double? S'il te plaît. So ginger. I like to use this part of the coriander because here you get a lot of more how did you say? On this part you get more flavor than here.
I see.
So that's why we like to use it. This one later. Fish. Tu vois ce que je veux dire?
Je l'arrête dans le...
Il se pointe.
Qu'est-ce que j'ai à l'entendre?
So, celery. I like to put, but not so much, because after it's going to be too strong and it's going to like kind of destroy the taste of the fish, you know. Onion. Salt. So lime juice. And the same quantity of fish stock. Putain, on l'a pas vu venir ça là. And also we put a little bit of coconut milk to get a little bit of sweetness. Squid ink to get something. We want something like gray, you know. I don't know if it's okay for it. It's okay. Perfect.
Du lait, c'est bon.
Leche, c'est good. Causerie maintenant. So we need this color, like gray, but black, but gray. Perfect. So here it's very important to press to get all the taste. And this one now, the leche de tigre is done. He needs to be very, very, very fresh. So we need to get the rice overcooked, but we need like 2 or 3 minutes more. Here it's very fresh and full of acidity, okay? And to balance, we make this kind of puree of rice made with miso and black sesame paste. So we're gonna balance the dish. Is it up? Okay, so white miso. Thanks. To get something very, very fresh, I like to put some ice here. Perfect. And then I keep in the fridge. Perfect. Again, here I put a little bit of coriander. I love coriander, so I like to put everywhere. Alex, t'as un petit peu de lait de coco à dispo ou pas?
Ouais.
Ah, c'est là, j'avais pas vu. This rice, it's very overcooked. Good. With water. And now we need something very black. Pudding. Rice. Get the perfect texture. It's going to be perfect. Tu peux me choper un cul de poule pour le riz propre? A bit of salt. And a little bit more of miso. It's going to be perfect. Tu peux me choper un étamine quand tu reviens? Avec un pochon. So, that's our cream, our puree of rice with black sesame paste and miso. Tiens, tu peux rester? Tu verses? It's Alexandre. You like to speak English also? Welcome in Paris. Let's look at the boss. No, take it, let's look. At the final, it's going to be like an hummus, but made with rice. Tu le dentelles derrière?
Je suis dans un-
Allez, go. Thermomix, on peut tout virer. Perfect. Tac. So now, to get something crispy in this plate, we're gonna do something called tuile dentelle in French. This one is going to be black because we like to create like some shade of black on this plate. Let's go. So it's very simple. It's a kind of pâte à crêpe at the final, but with some oil. Là, c'est la pesée?
Je dégote.
Ah. Par contre, t'as pas mis ce cooling?
Tu te souviens?
Je sais plus où je l'ai foutu. Allez, là. So, first water. Oil. Flour. Alex l'a pesé, c'est sûr. On this recipe, I like to use this chili. Anyway, it's not a real chili because here you have two things. You have one chili called how do you say pimencacho de cabra. It's the name of the chili. This one is from Chile. It's a little bit smoky, and with some coriander seeds to get something fresh. So it's not too spicy. But it's full of flavor. During this time, we can start to marinate the fish. So we need the fish and the leche. First, I put a little bit of olive oil and salt. Alex, on peut faire l'étude dentelle. Vas-y, fais-en une déjà. And it's important to how do you say mélanger? To mix, you know, to get some marinated everywhere. I put it back in the fridge during 1 minute. Les champs de la recette.
Moi, c'est 180.
Ouais, mais moi, tu fais toujours à 180?
Non,
C'est bientôt le retour.
c'est le moment de se roder.
In 2 weeks, we're gonna make 1,000 of this dish for an event. Anyway. C'est pas la bonne. Now, also a little bit of salt. It's going to be very crispy. So this one is ready. I put in some rice. It's a kind of popcorn made with black rice.
For 1 minute.
Oh, it's done. Oh, 30 seconds maybe. Okay, so now we can start the plating. And you can see we can found some shade of black. That's what we want. Lemon paste. Black sesame. It's done. Enjoy.